Noah Ziegler loves to read and write.
I wrote a fiction novel called Patriot Cell. It was about a character named Mark, and he had built like a technology suit, kind of like Iron Man, but not really. And basically, he needed to stop the Iranians from invading Turkey, Iraq, and other countries in the Middle East.
He wrote Patriot Cell as a ninth grader when his English teacher assigned his class to write a 25,000-word book. That's approximately 100 pages.
We had to start the book in November and finish it by the end of November.
It's an assignment he believes every student should be able to experience. That's why he shared the idea with school board member Julius Melendez, who has self-published his own book titled Rivers of Sand.
I was a combat medic in the military, and so it wasn't an autobiography, but I had that experience of both going to basic training, but also going to the medical school to save lives. So it's like a little bit of intrigue, like Romeo and Juliet meets Black Hawk Down.
Julius is now working alongside the school district's library committee to put together a list of rules and guidelines for the contest, which will be named after Noah.
Let's open this up to the entire district. Let's have 3 different grade levels, the high school, the middle school, and the elementary school, fiction and nonfiction, and actually go out there and actually say, you know what, who is the best author in the entire district?
With the help of local sponsorships, Julius plans to publish 100 copies of each winning book. Those books will be displayed in every Osceola County public school library, as well as the Osceola County public libraries.